Good morning traders, and this is your Forex setups for today. So we're going to start off with the EURUSD, which was kind of naughty to me yesterday if you're following the Telegram channel. But anyway, let's get into it. So firstly, on the 8 hour, we've had the pullback and we're starting to move the upside. So this is a pretty bullish signal, which is a pin bar, and it was off a level. In hindsight being a perfect science, I'll get to that comment now. But there was a level there, and that's the inside tail. Remember, I'm never chasing these tails here. I'm always looking for the inside tail where price has gone past. So there's my inside tail, and it needs to be a fractal as well. If it's not a fractal, I'm not interested in it. Okay, so that's the level. We come down here. We had a range yesterday. Okay, pretty much there was our range. And we had a breakout of the range, the upside on this bar here on the lower time frame. It was on the 15-minute chart, had the break, took the trade, put my stop below the bottom of the range, and lo and behold came back and pretty much got, stop didn't get triggered, but I climbed out of it. So then we had the buyers come in off the level. Okay, so hindsight being a perfect science, this range wasn't on an 8-hour level. It was nowhere near my 8-hour level. Should never have been in the trade. So lesson learned. Rather stick to the 8-hour levels on the EURUSD and don't try and anticipate stuff. It's not going to happen. Anyway, it was a small loss. It wasn't major. I mean, this was minimal risk at the moment. So I still think what we do have is this target, which I had in the Telegram channel yesterday. So that's 119.208. That's still your target at the moment. You're looking to buy this probably on the breaks and retests, and we're busy with the break now, so you'll be looking for a retest onto any of these fractal levels for an opportunity to buy into it. Okay, so that's just something to pay attention to. USD Japanese yen still got the levels drawn in from yesterday, and you can see we were looking for a pullback. We had the strong move up, came back onto this area, and we reversed off it. So that is another one which has been confirmed for a move to the downside. I would anticipate a second move. Markets love doing things in 2s and 3s, and that is what your current move is at the moment. So we're looking for 104.393. We're looking to come test these lows again. If we come down to the 1 hour, you'll see pretty strong move up. There's your first signal bar engulfing. There's your pin bar, second signal bar. That was your entry for your short, being a bit messy. And we're now coming up to find some support here. I wouldn't be too surprised to see it bounce up a little bit. It could even be a flag break. So this being a flag break, cause a double top and then down, or sort of come up to 61.8 of this downward move and then move to the downside. Either way, this for me is on the bigger time frames. It's a retest of a major daily level, and based on what's going on in the world today, I think there's more downside coming for the dollar. Okay, so that's kind of my view on this at the moment. Be a bit of a bounce around here at, where are we, 105.5922. There is a bit of support to be found here, so I wouldn't be too surprised to see a bounce up. If we do get through, we turn around and test it, that would be a nice area, and then you can look for this as your first target, which is 105.186, and then your second target once you get through there is 104.393. Okay, pound USD. This is just a classic flag break. So yesterday we pointed out this flag at the bottom of the channel. Okay, so we need to look for a breakdown or above this flag. Come to the hour and be a little bit clearer. You can see there was the flag that we drew in, and then look at this. We had a decent breakout, massive pullback. Look at that pin bar off a level. What is the level? The level is the flag, as well as these inside tails here, as well as those fractal levels there, as well as these fractal levels here. Okay, so there's so many levels here, and you had a pin bar off it on the hour, opportunity to buy, and your risk to reward on this was pretty amazing. So that was a 400-point risk, and you'd still be in on this with a 1,400-point gain. Okay, we're coming up to an area of resistance here. So I would look for a pullback or a breakout. So pullback onto structure. There is no 1 hour structure really to talk about except these two tails here. Okay, so any kind of pullback, we'd be looking for an opportunity, or alternatively a breakout. So we're looking for a breakout above 132668. Okay, so that one is moving along quite nicely. Pound, Japanese yen. So yesterday was sit on hands day, consolidating, stay away from this. Today I'm waiting for a breakout. Okay, so it's looking for the long here. Seems to be some good news coming out for the pound yesterday. I'm not aware of it, haven't been looking at it, not listening to the noise, but look at the price action here. Pin bar, pin bar, pin bar, offer level, major amounts of buyers stepping in, and then the acceleration to the upside. Consolidation at top of range, there it is there. I'm looking for a break retest to this area, and we are long. So yeah, those are some pretty exciting setups that we have in the Forex markets for us today. So not setups to hold over the weekend. I don't want to be doing that, but definitely some setups to be banking some quick profits. Anyway, I hope that helps you somewhat, and I will catch up with you later on. Cheers for now.